'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus. I am about to get these purple corns. The ants are doing a number on them. The silks, they look dried. Look like I can get them. I am going to get them all. You can see that the purple corn does a change a bit. So you know, whenever I'm preparing this baby, again, it cannot be prepared with anything else. And I am going to root them up from here and replenish the soil so I can use here to plant something else. You see how tall they are? So for those who are just joining, in a previous video the other day, I mentioned how tall these, I realized how tall these grow. And so I'm going to put them in locations where I can stand up and pollinate them properly, because they are so tall up, they're not being pollinated properly. And so I only get few grains on them, right? And so look at my fingers. Look here. So juicy, milky. And a few grains. Alright, so I am going to get all of them. And yeah. I think I'm going to save these for seeds. Alright, let me decide. I'm gonna get all of them first and see. The ants. Ow! This one don't look so purple at all. The ants doing a number on them. Any more? This side? Well, I see a little one on here. I don't think that was pollinated any at all.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
What a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
It is still worth the try. At least I know how to go about it from now on. And for the persons that I gave some seeds, they will know how to go about it now. A lot of you told me that you have never seen purple corns before. This is actually my first time growing it myself. If you see how the ants, they rise, I'm going to show you. I'm going to bring you closer. They rise like never before. Ew. There are some little ones on there. I'm not even going to, but well, maybe they have a few grains, you know. Maybe. Ugh. Look here. These are the buggers I have to be dealing with, man. I have to be dealing with. Anyways, one of my grain fell. Precious grains, you know. Few grains on them. They're so purple and nice. Man. But I'm not going to play with these babies. God's willing. Where the pollinating is concerned, I will climb up no matter how tall they want to go. Yay! And pollinate them properly. When they were getting so tall, I was kind of worrying, and I was saying, Lord God, them not go pollinate properly, because the cob is so far from the tassels. So when it blows, there's a possibility they're not going to get pollinated. This one don't look. Oh. Oh. Still grateful for my few greens, Can't plant these back. I still get more than what I planted. So I'm not going to call this a fail. It is still a win. I get more than what I planted. I'm sure about that. A win is a win. Doesn't matter the magnitude of the win. Still a win. Yay! Like I said, guys, a win is a win. All right. I just want to say welcome to all my newbies. Thank you so much, my faithfulers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So I had to go ahead and try the purple corns. I had to boil them. No. Early I came and I look at the pot. Everything turned purple. I was so shocked. I just add some vinegar to the pot. So they're getting back the color now. I should have shown you when I first looked. I was so frightened. I was like, really? I'm going to serve purple food. Even my pumpkin that I harvested the other day, look at it. It did turn purple too. Guys, everything purple. Look at my dumplings. My dumplings supposed to be white. Look at my dumplings. Everything purple. This is some saltfish that I fry up that I'm eating with, right? Oh, by the way, this is a burgundy okra. You can see that the color change after preparing. Look at my sweet potato. And my pumpkin. Oh God. Oh Lord, yeah. So I'm having this with some saltfish cook up, or catfish like some people know it. You can see that the purple corn does change a bit. So you know, whenever I'm preparing this baby, again, it cannot be prepared with anything else. Because it is going to dominate. Look at my purple dumplings. Eh, eh. Eating them same kind of way. My son over there enjoying his right now. Telling me, Mommy, the dumpling tastes so purple. And he says it tastes good too. So, let me see. Corn tastes good, man. Tastes like regular corn. It just tastes good.
Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.